Welcome to another tutorial video. Now in this video I'm going to show you how you can customize your store to look like this. So now the first thing we're going to do is we're going to scroll down and we're going to click on store settings. So in your store settings, this is where you can change your store name and the rest. Now for the currency on Sellevo, by default it's using the Naira currency. Now if you're from another country, you want to sell to another country, USD, you can change your currency to USD. Now the next thing is your store bio. Now your store bio is basically what you're seeing here. So it talks about what your product or what your store is all about. Now the contact email, this is if you have an email, business email where that you want your customers to reach out to you from, you can do it from here. So you can put in the email address over here. So what I'm going to do here, this business address, where is your store located? So by default, for clarity's sake, I'm going to put Lagos, Nigeria. Now let's say you have a refund policy. So what you're going to do here is you're going to put in 30 days refund policy on all orders. And then over here you can see that I already have a logo. So if you do not have a logo, you have to put your logo over here. So what I'm just going to do, I'm going to delete this logo and banner over here. So I'm going to delete it. So now if you come over to this side, once I refresh, you see that my store is basically looking basic. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to click on logo and I'm going to choose a logo. So I'm going to use this and then I'm going to click on save settings. So now if I come over to this side and I refresh you can see that my logo has been updated over here. So I'll come back here and then if I want to add banner, so I'll click on this and I'm going to select this. And then once I do that, I'll just click on save settings and I come over to this side, click refresh. My logo is going to show in the background. My banner rather is going to show in the background. So now the next thing you're going to also notice is that we have different templates. So I'm going to show you how that works later on in this video. So now this social link, if you have a social media account, you can put in your link over here. So if it's Facebook, Instagram, TikTok or Twitter, you can put in your handle here or Threads. Now you click save settings. So if you want to see all these things, how it reflects on your dashboard, so what you're going to do is when you scroll down, you see that your business address is showing over here, your Instagram, Facebook and rest showing here, and your refund policy, 30 days refunds on all orders, powered by Sellevo. Now how to get this contact button, you come over to this side, you notice here that there's WhatsApp number here. So now let's say I remove the WhatsApp number and I click on save settings. So what's going to happen right now is that if I refresh this, you see there's no WhatsApp button anymore. But if I come over to this side now and I put in my number and I click save settings, so if I refresh this, you see the WhatsApp button is shown over here. So this is basically how the store settings work. So next video I'm going to show you how you can switch between templates of your choice.